When you visit someone's profile on GitHub, you can see their followers, following, stars, company they work at, etc. Now where does this data come from and how can we access this? To understand this, let's visit another link which is api.github.com/user/your username. This is a GitHub API. You will see some data that has syntax similar to JavaScript. This is the data that GitHub fetch for you when you visit someone's profile. This data is actually fetched from backend that is called a server, and this data is accessible through a REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. REST specifies how data is presented to a client in a format that is convenient for the client. Based on your request that you send, REST API responds back with the data that depends on your request. Now one thing to keep in mind is that not all the responses that you get are REST API. There are some other type of APIs as well. Suppose you are an admin of an e-commerce website where you can create, read, update and delete data, which are called CRUD operations in short. Let's say you, the admin, wants to add a new product to your store, so you fill the details and click on the Add Product button. This will send a request to a server to a specific path. This will also send product details in the body of the request such as name and description, etc. This path where you send a request is called a REST API endpoint. REST API has different methods which is used for different type of operation such as post for create operation, get for read operation, put for update operation, delete for delete operation. You can check the method by opening the network tab in the developers tool. There you can see the list of all the requests. If you click on any one, it will give you all the details including the method. When adding a new product, you pass data in the body of the request, but in some methods like get, you need to pass the data in the path. For example, if you want to get details of a product, you need its unique ID. This ID part in the path is called param. Here are some examples of REST API endpoints for create, read, update and delete. So that is it about REST API. Let me know what you want to understand next, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.